Welcome to my honest review of the fitness website Luvzy. In this video, I'll be showing you the key features, how the website works, and my experience navigating through it. Right off the bat, Luvzy offers a clean, user-friendly design with easy access to various fitness resources. Once you sign up, you're greeted with a personalized dashboard that includes workout plans, nutrition diets, and tools to track your progress. The platform offers both free and premium options, with a premium membership unlocking more advanced features such as detailed workout routines, nutrition tracking, and personalized coaching tips. Luvzy provides a wide variety of workout plans for all fitness levels. Whether you're just starting or already advanced, there's something tailored for you. You can choose from strength training, cardio, yoga, and even wellness routines, which is a nice touch if you're interested in more than just physical fitness. The videos and instructions are clear and well produced, but I noticed that for some of the more complex exercises, additional cues would be helpful, especially for beginners. The nutrition section is another important feature of Luvzy. It provides meal plans, recipes, and advice for different dietary preferences. You can filter meal plans based on your goals, such as weight loss, muscle gain, or general health. While the meal suggestions are solid, the platform could benefit from more detailed tracking features to ensure users stay on track with their diet. In terms of design, the site is sleek and easy to navigate. The user interface (UI) is intuitive, and I didn't face any issues when finding workout programs or tracking progress. The app, however, feels a bit slower at times, which might be an issue for some users who expect a smooth experience. The platform also integrates basic progress tracking, but there could be more analytics on how you're improving over time. While Luvzy does offer a solid set of features, the website's biggest downside is the lack of interactive community features. Compared to other fitness platforms, Luvzy doesn't have a forum or social integration where users can connect, share their progress, or get support. This is something I'd love to see in future updates. Overall, Luvzy is a strong contender for anyone looking to improve their fitness from home. It's well suited for beginners and intermediate fitness enthusiasts, but it might lack enough depth for advanced users looking for highly specialized programs. Still, with continuous updates and improvements, Luvzy has the potential to become a top player in the online fitness space. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews of fitness websites and apps.